Not believe your eyes.
Which chapter is that?
Chapter 57.
57. Okay, which part of chapter 57?
Printed part. Printed. Yeah.
You want to know about the function?
Yeah. Function of printed. Fine.
This is chapter 57. Let me just Google for it. My god, my line is very slow. How about yours?
Well, mine too. Let's just ask anyone.
There's no one here.
No one here.
But I think I know. I just saw it before this. Chapter 57.
Yeah.
Too much pages, all black and white. How can I find the BINTI? See? Let's see from yours. I'm not sure too. Hey Izzul,
Yes.
can you come here for a while?
What?
Do you know what's the function of BINTI?
The function of wingtips.
Yes, I can't
Wait.
find it here. It's too much of letters.
Wait, let me see in my apps.
Oh, you have apps?
Yes.
Wow.
What
kind of
apps is that?
It's called AEROINTEL apps.
AEROINTEL, cool. It is for Android or what?
It's literally for Android only, but maybe it will be out in App Store. So look at this.
Wow. It's really cool.
The apps AEROINTEL application. So we see this interface. Then we will choose the menu here, up there, and go to any zone you want. And now we're going to zone 500, which is wings. So we can see the flaps, brakes, aileron, and slats here. So when we pick any of these, for example, I choose flaps. It show the information about it. Then we will press the next button. So it show wing construction is based on one of three fundamental designs. So when touch here, we are out with monospar, multispar, and boss beam. So this apps is basically free, and you can get it from the Google Play Store.
Wow.
And it's easy to access because it's semi-offline apps.
Yes.
So the online thing is only the video, because we don't want to create a huge app, so it can easily download.
Okay, that's cool.
So this app also eco-friendly apps, because it doesn't need this paper anymore to write.
Yes, there are a lot of paper.
So it will confuse your brain, because you don't know where to find
Yes, that's true.
any point.
I will support this app.
Thank you. So make sure you download it. Okay.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Wow, thank you.
You're
Thank you for the
welcome.
info.
So Make sure you download it after this, so it will help you better.
Yes, sure. I will get it from Play Store.
I need to go now. I want to eat.
Okay, bye, Zo.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Here's Zo.
Bye. Oh, AEROINTEL, what's the name just now?
AEROINTEL. Yeah, AEROINTEL.
Oh, but my line is very slow. It's okay. We let it download.